Hello guys, this is Mohsen AR from Signbox software, and this lesson will cover introduction to the Java language. Before starting Java language, I will cover the basic meaning of the language, low level programming languages, high level programming languages, and many more. So let's start. Before talking about any programming language, let me clear the word language. So what does language mean? When I ask this from uh, Google, so Google reply me with this definition: the method of human communication, either spoken or written. So the language means a way of communication between the human to human, human to machine, machine to human. So the basic examples of the language is Chinese, English, Urdu, and so on. These are the basic examples of the human languages. I'm not talking about any programming language. Okay, so this is the meaning of word language. Now let's jump to the programming languages. So what does programming language mean? Programming language means a language, a way of communication which a computer can understand. So the examples of programming languages is machine language, C language, C++, Java, and so on. So before talking about any programming language, let's jump to the low level languages. What are low level languages? What its definition says: low level languages are used to write a program that relate to the specific architecture and hardware of the particular type of computer. So what does it mean? Low level languages write the program to relate to the specific architecture. Architecture means a process architecture. On that time when there was a machine language, assembly language, that time they are not a portable, they are a platform dependent, or you can say the hardware dependent, or you can say in which computer you write the code of assembly language, and in that computer you have to run that code of a assembly language to see or to display the output or result. So machine language and assembly language both were platform dependent, or you can say the hardware dependent of any computer. And now let's talk about the high level languages. High level languages are written in a form that is close to our human language, enabling programmer to just focus on the problem being solved. So this means high level languages are close to the human language. When you type a program in when you develop a program in Java language, so there are most of the words which are related to the English language, or you can say the whole Java is whole Java syntax, sorry, not syntax, whole Java keywords are resembling to the English language. And they are also in C++ language, C language, C sharp, PHP, and so on. So they are called the high level language, in which the programmer can understand it easily and just focus on their problem solving, what they want, and it is easy to understand. Okay, those languages, high level languages, are easy to understand. So after this programming language, low level and high level, we'll talk about the Java language. This course has a main purpose of Java programming language. In this we will only discuss about the Java programming language, not any other language. This is the basic examples and the basic introduction of the low level and high level languages. So now let's jump to the Java programming language. Before talking about the Java programming language, let me clear that I did not write the C language here or here, because sometimes C language is called in low level and sometimes it is called in high level. Why? If I say the C language is high level language as compared to the assembly language, and C language is low level when I compare it to the Java language. Okay, so you can say you can put the C language here also. Most of the time people are saying it is the high level language, so I put it here. Okay, so now let's talk about the Java language, Java programming language. Let me give the basic introduction, who's the founder, co-founder, initial release, and many more. Java programming language. Java was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystem, but now it is acquired by the Oracle Corporation. Okay, and this is the he is the James Gosling. He has developed Java language, and there are co-founders also, Mike Sheridan and Patrick Norton. They both are the co-founder of the Java. Now let's talk about the initiated the Java language project, or that means they initiated Java language project in June 1991 and released in 1995. In 1995 they release some people are saying they release the testing version for the developers to test the Java initial version, and it was released in 1995, but they released the first public implementation and as a Java 1.0 in 1996. Sun Microsystem released the first publication implementation as Java 1.0 in 1996, and these are the version histories of a Java language. JDK 1.0 1996, then 1.1 1997, then they renamed JDK to J2SE, and after Java 5 they renamed it to the Java SE, and till now it is Java SE on 11 version. It was released in September 25, 2018. So now let's differentiate this. What does it mean? JDK stands for J for Java, D for development, K for kit. So Java development kit. So they changed or they renamed JDK to J2SE. That means Java and second, 2 for second, S for standard, E for edition. Java second standard edition. Why they call Java second standard edition? Just because of 1.2 they rename it to the Java second standard edition. After that they remove the second, and just because of it is no more the second edition, so it is a Java standard edition 6, and we will more focus on the Java SE, Java SE 8 version. So let's talk about the principle of the Java. The basic principle of the Java is a simple object oriented. Java is an object oriented language, but remember, Java is not 100% or pure object oriented language. And if you are coming from the C or C++, then you will easily understand the Java language. just because of the syntax. I'm talking about only syntax. The syntax is inherited from these two languages. Most of the time you will see the syntax of the C++ and Java language are the same in syntax, or you can say in keywords. Okay, so, and the second point is robust and secure. It is very secure, and Java provides file management. Java provides Java EE Enterprise Edition, desktop application, mobile application, and Java is a portable. Java language is a portable language. Why it is a portable language, how it becomes portable language, I will create each and every topic, or you can say the word, in the next video. So JVM, Java Virtual Machine, bytecode, and JIT compilers. What is JVM, what is bytecode, what is JIT compiler? Later on we will discuss them. And in the last, the slogan of Java is write once, run everywhere. Just because Java is not platform dependent, Java is platform independent. Write once, you can write it on Windows, you can write it on Linux, you can write it on Macintosh, and you can, if you write it on a Macintosh, then that same program you can run it on Windows or Linux. So that's why they are saying write once and run anywhere. In the next videos I will clear this slogan, what does it mean, and how how they are saying write once and run it anywhere. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel.